Then solid state on heating, solid state on heating converted into liquid state, then liquid state, again heat, it converted into gaseous state. Then ice on heating converted into water. Then that water again heat converted into water vapor. Then solid state heat, then converted into liquid state, then liquid state again heat converted into gaseous state. In the case of solid state, ice converted into water, then water again heat that water converted into water vapor. Then the gaseous state on cooling, we get liquid state, then liquid state again on cooling we get solid state. For example, the water vapor on cooling we get water, that water again cool we get ice. Solid state heat converted into liquid state, then again heat it converted into gaseous state. The solid form of water is ice, then take some ice and heat it converts into water, and again heat it converts into water vapor, then again cool converts into water, and again cool converts into ice. Take some ammonium chloride in a china dish, then this is our one inverted funnel and coated, then heat it. What happened? Then the ammonium chloride is in solid state now, it directly converts into gaseous state. The ammonium chloride is directly converted into gaseous state without changing liquid, without changing in liquid state. So that process is known as sublimation. This is known as sublimation. Solids directly converts into gaseous state without changing in liquid. Then solid directly converts into gaseous state. That process is known as sublimation. This experiment is related to sublimation. Once more, take some ammonium chloride in a china dish and heat it. That ammonium chloride is in solid state. That ammonium chloride directly converts into which form? Gaseous form. Directly converts into gaseous form. So, solid state directly converts into gaseous form without liquid form. That is known as sublimation. Effect of change of pressure. Then, by applying pressure, what happens? Then the particles come closer. Then this is in gaseous state. Then molecules come closer. Then pressure increases. The molecules come very close. Then first one, and this much pressure is applied. The molecules, the space between the molecule is compared to this one very less. Then second case, then pressure increases. Molecules come closer. Then third case also pressure increases. The molecules come very closer. For example, did you heard about that dry ice? The solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Why? What is the reason? that solid carbon dioxide is directly converted into gaseous state on decreasing the pressure to 1 atm means 1 atmospheric pressure without coming in liquid state. Then solid to gaseous state without coming in liquid state. So solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Once more, solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Why? What is the reason? The solid carbon dioxide is directly converted into gaseous state or decreasing pressure to 1 atm. Atm means 1 atmospheric pressure without coming in liquid state. So solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Solids directly converts into liquid. That process is known as fusion. We already studied that one now, fusion. Solid directly converts into liquid. That is known as fusion. Then liquid vaporize and form gas. Liquid vaporize and form gas. That is vaporization. Then gas on deposition to form solid. Gas on deposition to form solid. Then solid directly converts into gaseous state. That process is known as sublimation. Solid directly convert into gaseous state. That process is known as sublimation. Then gases on condensation process form liquids. Gases on condensation process form liquid. Then that liquid solidification form solid. Then liquid on solidification to form solid. Once more, solid directly changes into liquid. That process is known as fusion. Then liquid vaporize and form gas, vaporization. Then gas on deposition to form solid. Then solid directly convert into gaseous state. That is known as sublimation. And gaseous state, gaseous molecules on condensations to form liquid. Then liquid on solidification to form solid.